Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. It's me, Gigi, and today we're going to keep it Valentine's Day with this Moody set. I really love these nails and I can't wait to show you how I did them. They're super easy, so if you're looking for a Moody Valentine sort of set, this is a good one to try. Also, you could change the shapes from stars to, or from hearts to something else and turn this into a Moody whatever kind of set you want, right? So what I did was paint 2 coats of the black on 3 nails, 2 coats of the pink on the other 2 nails. Now we're going to come in on the black nails and put down some cat eye polish. It's a real pretty pink and it's going to go really well with the other things we're going to add to these nails. And I'm just smoothing that down and we're going to put it across all 3 of these. Then we're going to do a technique, I'm pretty sure I saw it on TikTok. Where you use 2, wow, words coming to my head, 2 magnets at the same time. So I'll show you what I mean in just a second. We're going to drag that down. And one of the coolest things I think about the cat eye is how you can really make it show up where you want. And so the rest of the nail will be black, but where you cat eye it will be so, so pretty. I love that look. So what we're going to do is stick the 2 together and look how it makes like a cross or a star, right? Like a starburst sort of situation. And you can do it like I did it in the middle on that first one. I did it at the top and the bottom on that second one, and then kind of went back for a lower middle situation on that pinky nail. We're going to cure those, and then I'm going to come in and add some swooshy, swirly lines to these pink nails. And we're gonna just do pink and white on these. On the black ones, we're also gonna add some swooshies, but those are going to be the light pink that these nails are with the dark pink. So you're pulling all the colors together, but each one has its own flavor, right? Each one's got its own feeling. I love how the swirly, swishy, swooshy lines kind of almost look like cracks in the surface of the nail to me a little bit. So I don't know, it could be, you could use this as sort of a broken heart technique if you wanted to, definitely. There's definitely different ways that you could interpret a set like this to make it more fun or more moody. You could do all the nails black. That would definitely be cool. The swooshies on these are a little bit smaller, a little more subtle. That's it, subtle, because it's on the black, so you don't see the pink quite as bright as you do on the light pink nails. So I think that's super cute. And you can even leave these swooshies off. You could come in with some different colors. There's a lot of different ways to interpret this. I kept it really minimal on these darker nails because we're going to come in with a lot of more, well, a few more things. Not a lot of more things, a few more things, okay, sorry. A lot of more things. That's so funny. All right. Oh, I did want to mention, I added some little heart glitters to the dark nails. I don't know what happened to that footage. So I apologize it's not in there. You are going to see me add some on these lighter pink nails, but there are some already on the black nails, and I looked for the footage, but I think I must have sit back when I did it or something. I don't know, because there was no shots of it. So I apologize for that. But coming in with the cleanup brush, you know, I'm queen of the cleanup brush. Your cleanup brush is your best friend. If you make a mistake, it can help make everything right again. So I'm just having fun with the white, following the same lines as the pink, just letting it sort of frame it in there. And again, to me, it still looks a little bit like cracks, but as soon as I added the white, it gave me the feeling of like peppermint candy almost. So you could definitely do sort of a peppermint candy situation with this. Love peppermint candy. It's very delicious. But not the hard candy as much. You know those little balls that burst in your mouth when you bite down on them? I really like those. They're very airy inside. But then also the buttermints. Oh my God, I did not intend to start talking about buttermints in this video, but shout out in the comment section if you also really like buttermints. I like them so much I cannot buy them because I will just sit there and keep sucking on them until my tongue hurts. So I don't buy them very often because I really, really like them. I like the consistency and the way they smoosh in your mouth. They're really delicious, you guys. Tell me below if you like those too. Adding a little bit of the pink to this. We do come in with a tiny bit of white as well, but again, I'm not positive I put the footage to that. I was trying to just keep the video from getting too long because there's a lot of things that we add and the videos get a little long. So there you go. There you go. What can you say? So now we're going to come in. I've put down a base coat and we're going to add just a couple of these little hearts, just little heart glitters, heart shapes. They're a deeper pink. They kind of match the deeper pink that we're using, so that's why I used it. But they're even darker. They're just in that same family, that same tone family. And I'm just using these really cute curved tweezers. Wow, words are coming to me today, guys. Words. They're so good. Using my little tweezers to put that on there. We're just being really random. Now, as you can see, I've dotted up the nails in places where I think I want to put a heart. And I'm just going to make some hearts. We're going to do a bunch of white ones across all the nails. But then also on the pink nails, we're going to come in with a couple black ones. Because I wanted there to be some black in the pink nails, even though they are the lighter element of the set. So, like I said earlier, you could 100% just do these all black. But you could do them all pink as well. Or you could do a gradient shades of pink, so it would graduate from color to color across the set, just like we did in the set before, the other set we did for Halloween. Where's my head at? You know I love Halloween. For Valentine's Day. I'm always accidentally saying Halloween because that's my favorite. I love Halloween. It's the best. Except for I really love turkey dinner too. But that's a whole different story I'm not going to get into. Now, I've put down, again, some base coat, and we're just coming in with a few glitters. Now, as you can see, they look kind of pink right now, but they're, in the end, you're going to see they look a little different. And I might have gone a different way if I had realized what I was thinking I was going to do. But we'll get to it. We'll get to it. And I'm not going full hard with the glitter, just little bits here and there, a smattering, if you will, going across the nail. And each nail is going to get a tiny bit of glitter. I'm not going to show doing every single one because, again, the video gets a little long and it's a little repetitive, and I don't think you want to see it on every single nail. You'll see the reveal shots in the end, and let me know what you think about it then. So now we're coming in, and after I did the black hearts, I was not careful and I didn't realize right away that I had smeared the, that black polish has a sticky layer at the end, and I should have wiped it off. I didn't, and I didn't realize until I'd already had a few of the gems down, and I went, am I going to wipe that off? No, I'm not. I'm just going to let it ride. So I probably should have wiped it off, but by this point, I was like, I want to get this set done. I'm getting really close to being 100%, but I'm still a little tired. So a little bit, the nails just kind of wear me out right now. So we're going to get there to where everything is better. But for right now, I'm just taking it easy, and one little mistake in the set, I decided to transcend that. On the black ones, we're going to add a tiny bit of gems as well, and as you can see, the top coat we were using was a matte top coat, and that is why the smattering of glitter we put down doesn't really, like you can see when I shift it, that pinky purple color is there, but it's showing more of the green silver color because the matte top coat. So if you don't want that, use a different color glitter or definitely make them shiny. But this is the finished set. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We're gonna see you next week. Mwah! Bye-bye.